Hey everybody, check it out. Our 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner is all done. We are getting ready to ship this home to Tennessee tonight or tomorrow morning. So I snuck down to the old mill so I could get some shots of it. I got the camera guys with us. Just finished putting the accent stripe on. And this is a 68 Roadrunner 383 4-speed. That is, this car's got the decor package. Now you'll notice that the Roadrunner bird isn't next to it. That's because we ruined it putting it on. We've got another one will be here in about an hour. I happen to have one across town stored, so we'll be putting that in. This is a really nice car. All original numbers matching car. Came to us about 5 years ago. I hate to say that would take that long sometimes, but we do. 383. 4-speed. Just doing some final detailing on it right now. So originally it had a 14 by I think 6 Magnum 500 wheel. So we opted to go with a 15-inch version of it on this car, so we could put the F70 15 tires like a Hemi car would have had. It is QQ1 blue, which is gorgeous. It is a postcard, as you can tell. There's the black and white bird, which is correct for 68. 69, that would be a full color bird. Redid the grill. This is his original grill that Justin restored. We polished cleaned the anodizing off the aluminum, polished it, redid the argent, the dark argent down in the middle. Brand new auto metal direct bumpers on it. This has got our ECS exhaust system. I had made a huge mistake on this thing and was late ordering the system, and they stepped up and worked over the weekend to get the system built, and then next dayed it out to us so we'd have it. I'm going to show you this trim panel here. Go around to the other side. All right, camera guy's right there waiting, getting all set up there. It isn't that a good looking interior color? Two-tone blue, medium and dark, with the light blue accent at the top. Just gorgeous. Love it. You guys getting ready to film this thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mr. Bundy? Ted? Friends call him? Teddy Bob? Yeah. That is beautiful. All right, guys. Make me look good.